Hey, what's up, guys? Good day. This is Victor from simplehacktv, and today I'm gonna walk you guys through how you can actually upload your photos to Google Drive. As we all know, these are Google Drive app. I think this one you can see right here. Now, Google Drive is an app provided by Google for you to be able to upload some of your photos, documents, or whatsoever file you want to upload. It's like a medium whereby you can back up most of your important files that you intend to back up, so that in any reason you lost your device, maybe your phone, you can easily retrieve them when you log into your Gmail account. So what we can do now, we just click on Google Drive to see how it actually is. This is my official Google Drive account. So you see this hamburger icon here, you just click on it. This is my account. Now you have an option to switch between the accounts you want. As you can see, I have another account here. So as you can see, I have already used 1.8 gigabytes out of the 15 gigabyte storage I was given. I can as well add another account if I wish to. For now, I'm just going to proceed with this. So Google Drive is very, very important for you to keep most of your documents. In case if for any reason you lost your device, you can easily back them up. Most of the documents here were not actually on this phone. I didn't snap them on this phone, and I didn't create these files, some of the files here on this phone. Instead, I made them with a phone I was using before. So from here you can actually customize your Google Drive, like for example creating folders in order to partition the files and maybe photos that you'll be saving into different folders. For example, you can click on this plus icon here to create a new folder. If you'll be uploading some documents, you can just name one of the folder as documents, but for this I'm going to name this photo because I think I'll be uploading a photo. So I just create a folder called photo. So it's creating folder right now. Good. So as you can see, this is my photo folder. So what I can do, I can on this plus icon and then you click on upload. So I can easily come here and search for the photo I want to upload. So for now I'm going to my gallery. Now go into download. Then I think I want to upload this Smart 7 Plus. So I click on it, and as you can see, it's displayed waiting for Wi-Fi, and that's because it's automatically uploads through over a Wi-Fi connection. But for now I want to use my data connection, so since I'm not connected to Wi-Fi, so I click on it. I can also click on it again, and as you can see, it's uploaded now. So if I want to access this photo even on another device, I can easily come here to access it. And I will also walk us through another way through which we can upload a photo to Google Drive. So just go back, and then I will go directly to my photo. So I will just go into downloads. Also, maybe I can just select two files, and I click on share. Now sharing these two files, you check for Google Drive. As you can see, you see save to drive here, so you click on save to drive. So you have the option to select the account you want to save it. So I have two accounts, so I'm going to save it to this one. Then I'll save it into the photo folder. As you can see, it automatically detects this folder. So I can also go back to check for any other folder. These are some of the folders I have. As you can see, I have there are some folders I created 2020, 2021, as you can see. So I will select this one which I just modified a few minutes ago. So I'll click on this folder, and as you can see this previous one I uploaded. So I just click on select folder, and then I click on save. So automatically both photos will be uploaded. So I can just minimize and go over to my Google Drive to check. And as you can see, it's waiting for Wi-Fi. What you just do, you click it, waiting for upload, and then good. So from here, this document will be saved here as long as this Google account is functional.
you can easily come to access it, or you can even access it from other phones. And that's how you upload documents to your and that's how you upload either a picture or documents or other documents to your Google Drive. If I want to upload some documents to Google Drive, let me just walk you through that. So you click on this plus icon, you click on folder, and so I'm going to call this document. Good. So the documents folder is created. So I can just come here and click on the plus, click on upload, and I will go to, I think I have some documents in my WPS office, though just some documents, so I can just pick any of them. Okay, let me just pick, no, these are PDF files. For example, if your document is a PDF file, so let me just pick let me pick a Word document instead. So let's say I just pick this one, this attachment 23, so you can see. So fine, it's uploaded, so you can easily click on it to view your documents through WPS, and this is it. So this is how you can actually upload photos or documents to your Google Drive account for future reference, and also to keep it safe in case you will need it later, or maybe you misplace your device or for any reason. So thanks for watching. In a later video, we'll explore more on Google Drive and all its features. If you enjoyed this video, I would love you to give it a thumbs up, and if you would want to see more content that I create later, hit on the notification bell. Thank you, and do have a nice day.